Dealing with a home repair issue? Here are ways to keep costs under control. Welcome to Life Happens, Episode 7, Managing Home Repair Costs. Number 1, YouTube first. A 10-minute video could save you hundreds. Number 2, get at least 3 estimates. The first price isn't always the best one. Number 3, do the demo. A little sweat equity lowers labor costs. Smart repairs today, a stronger foundation tomorrow. Merrick Bank, the bank that builds.